Hello everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one functionality. It's called augmented reality in Amazon app, in which you can visualize whatever your product you are buying from the market. You can select that product and you can place it anywhere. Say for example furniture. You can place the furniture in your house and see how it looks before buying the product. For this you need to come to the app, that is Amazon app, and you can search for any product, mostly furnitures you see, and for example I am choosing this product. So after coming here you will see view in room, so you can click on this button there. Then it will ask you to find the ground, do some calibration, and you can visualize it in your room before buying. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.